guys, it's the Griggs Man and Luke O'Brien, both of us from Crazy Kids, and today we're going to be doing a video with Nerf guns. We have the Roto Fury, and we have the Mega Mastodon. And so my ideas for today, simple contest. We'll see in a minute. We'll get right into it. Let's go. So the contest today is simple. It's got a tower of cups. You get to pick your gun. You get 3 shots. However many cups you knock off the box, that's your score. First 2 rounds will add up together, and then the 3rd round, you get to pick a gun and empty the clip. So let's go right away. Round 1. Round 1. Carson, round 1. Luke, round 2. A good shot. A nice solid.
It didn't shoot out.
A misfire. Jam. Round 3. Shot. A good shot. Round 2. Okay, for round 3, you have to use the Mastodon. Right now, my score is 37, and Luke's is 38 for cups off the box. Just going to inform you with that. And so, final round, you get to empty the clip on the Mastodon to see how many you can knock off. So, let's see what will happen. Here's Luke.
Start recording.
Round 3. Let's go. Empty the clip.
Yeah! Cleared it.
Okay, final round. It's impossible for me to win, though. I was 1 behind Luke last round, and he get them all. But let's see how I can do.
Misfires.
Okay, you guys like the video? Luke won.
And now I'm breaking his Legos.
No, yeah, he is. But okay, so basically, like and subscribe. If you haven't seen his channel, go over there. We've done some stuff together on that too. And if you haven't seen Crazy Kids, you definitely have to go there. And from there, you can go to Brady's channel even. So, see you later. Leave a like and subscribe.